Hi everyone! So today I'll be doing another set of photo shoot. I'm so excited because I'm doing another underwater photo shoot. Tagal ko hindi ginawa to. So nakahanap ako ng model na mermaid siya, licensed mermaid siya. And excited ako, sobrang excited ako. Dapat 5 sila. So I'll be doing a part 2 of this with 5 of them. So many mermaids. And today, so mag-isa lang muna siya. It's a part 1 of the series. So let's check it out later, and I'm so excited to do this. By the way, John Nathan here, and welcome to my channel.
Have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself.
For this underwater photo shoot, I use aqua sealant mixed together with liquid and cream-based product on Aliyah's skin so that it will be able to retain makeup underwater. It is important for you to use an aqua sealant because powdered products usually do not stay on the skin in the water. So let's see how does Aliyah's skin and Aliyah's makeup come out with when we're in the water later.
Hi guys, so in today's shoot, I'll be shooting Aliyah. So this is the second time that I'll be shooting her, and the first time was it's like a butterfly concept, right? Okay, so today we will be in the water. So I'm excited to do this because this is underwater photo shoot again. So this is Aliyah, the mermaid. She's a licensed mermaid, by the way. And of course, Miss Pippin Emerald, the Wonder Woman. Why are you hiding?
No, I'm not hiding.
So she's the one who did the makeup and
I'm styling.
sorry,
Styling.
that's
I'm doing the makeup and styling for underwater by using special products so that the makeup will stay. So all the rest is going to be up to them now.
So sorry because ubo ko ng ubon, so pasensya na guys, pero gagawin natin yan ng maayos. And anyway, hindi naman ako kailangan lagi magsalita dahil iti-take natin ang photoshoot si Aliyah. So let's check it out guys. Straight do this.
Go down first.
Two seconds. I need to take my shot. So we need to repeat it again. Like 2, 3 times.
Always right.
Go. Okay, so going here, right? 2, go. Again. But I got the shot from here. I got that. 2, go. Go. This one is better because
The lighter tiles.
I don't want the tiles.
Okay.
The plain better. Okay, 2. Okay. 2. Okay, when you do that, try to pose as fast as quick as you can because I like the ring. I like the ring, the water ring. Above is really nice. Okay. One is yes. Go straight dive pose. 2.
about 20%.
One is I can see this and underwater. You're swimming and then this I can see. Then the second shot, yeah, the like so diagonally. You swim diagonally.
Diagonal.
Zero.
Good on.
What can you say about the photoshoot today?
Very interesting.
Is it super tiring?
No,
right?
it's not.
It's not.
It's very hard to push him down and to push me down. It's easier for her because her fin is so much heavier. That's why it's a good experience of a different form.
But she doesn't know the technique how to step on me. Step down.
I am heavy.
Joke. I'm used to with that.
I am heavy.
Okay, so Aliyah, what can you say?
Very fun and thankful for both of you to
makeup stays. Her makeup stays.
Yeah.
Her makeup
See?
stays. My skill stays. And I've got practice with my techniques.
Yeah. You have a lot of nice poses actually. And I like the bubble one, the butterfly that she did just now. In the last part. Okay, so I think we are done and I'll see you on the next photo shoot. I think I'll be doing a lot of underwater photo shoot. So the second part, stay with us because we are doing the mini mermaid shot.
Mermaid Part 2.
Yeah.
You have to check this on YouTube.
I'm freezing. Bye bye guys.